Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. Today we're going to make a paper chain. All you need is some color papers, a glue, and scissors. Let's start. Okay, so we're going to start. I'm going to choose any color paper. So I'm going to choose this light blue color paper because light blue is my favorite. I also like dark. Okay, so you're going to get a pair of scissors. And you're just gonna make a line starting from here and all the way until the end. Like that. And now I'm just gonna fold this part a little bit. You're gonna get the glue. I'm gonna put this up. And you're gonna put the glue here as a paper chain. Gonna hold this here, and you're gonna connect this to the other paper. And then this is our first one. You're gonna close the glue. Okay, I'm gonna start with another color. I'm gonna choose red this time. Gonna get red and do the same thing. So you're gonna cut it. Cut the red piece like the blue piece. Gonna fold it a little bit. Open the glue stick up and glue it. There's a little glue here. You can just put that there stuck. Okay. Now let's get the other piece of the other side. So we're gonna put this frill in, and then you're gonna stick it right there. And then this is gonna be pretty easy. Okay guys, now we're done our chain. It's super long. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye!